Well, welcome back to another Dynodaze video. This one's just done its initial power run and health check. It's a silver EP3, as you can tell. We're mandated today with fitting an ECU on an exchange basis and tuning it. It's got some parts. It's got an InGen cold air intake, as you can see. It's got a 70mm Skunk 2 throttle body, mated to a Skunk 2 Ultra manifold. It's got a full solid fab exhaust system, including manifold, so it's going to sound amazing, and hopefully it's going to make some power. So next up is exchanging the ECU, fitting that obviously, and then doing our base map and going from there. So here we go. What a car this is.
Second one of the day.
Beautiful car this is.
Beautiful EP3.
Track weapon.
Nice little box in the back with his helmet in there. Ooh. Never leave home without it.
You need to put your helmet in a box every now and again.
Yeah, definitely.
It's got a switch there.
especially one with a silky velvet lining.
Right. What a smashing blouse you have. Right, I want to just point out that it's got a switch there.
Apparently it does nothing, I asked.
Oh, that's good, because I've been playing with that all morning.
Yeah.
Right, so smashing EP3. It's a very nice car, actually.
It's really nice, really clean.
Clean outside. It's lovely inside. It's got some nice mods. It's got an InGen intake, hasn't it?
InGen induction kit.
It's got a Skunk 2 throttle body.
Skunk 2 Ultra Series manifold.
Yeah.
Coupled with the Solid Fab manifold and the Solid Fab exhaust. Beautiful. Proper mods.
Proper car.
Yeah, proper car. Made really good power. Made good power off the bat anyway. You know, is before maps, but totally transformed.
That's all right. That's Jeno on the radio.
That's Jeno on the radio.
We're just ignoring him.
Yeah, we're going to ignore him.
Yes, it's made some power in the mid-range.
Yeah, made up 55 brake in the mid-range. Made phenomenal power, even top end, to be fair, over and above the standard map. Keeps climbing, keeps
no restriction, is there?
No restriction. We finished on 250 in this car, believe it or not, which is as good as it gets.
Yeah.
You know, when you consider the mods that you're putting on FN2 are very similar stature and, yeah, not making that power. But again, we're convinced it's down to the exhaust design.
FN2s are cool, though.
They are. They're good cars.
I'm not saying EP3s aren't cool.
Yeah, they're good, but this has made really good power. I mean, generally with these mods or this sort of spec list, you normally say, because when people put the Jap speed manifolds on and the Tegra manifolds on, generally make 240.
Yeah.
Was where they are. I believe that manifold on this car today has given us an extra 10 brake.
Yeah.
Absolutely. Over and above, because we've seen this mod combination a million times, including the Solid Fab exhaust, but it's not very often you get the Solid Fab manifold because they are expensive.
No.
But...
And they take 4 months. This one took 4 months, apparently.
Yeah, it took 4 months to turn up. But in
You've got to
fairness,
wait for quality.
Yeah. When all's said and done, if you're paying your money, again, like we were talking about the inlet manifold and the FN2 earlier, there's 10 brake in that, in my opinion. So
Jano's now lifting the car.
They're lifting the dyno. Yeah. Well, should we have a look at the graph?
I'm going to have a word with him today. He's annoying me.
Okay, have a word with him then.
Right, okay, yeah, let's look at the graph. What car? Well, there you go. Actually, guys, let's have a look at the graph. So, look at that. What a staggering power graph that is. You can see we made 55 brake horsepower in the mid-range, and we continue to climb and make peak power. And we finished today on 250 brake horsepower. That's 30 brake horsepower peak, and like I say, 55 brake horsepower in the mid-range. What a car, what a car. And there you go, she's gone because we've got lots more to be getting on with. We've got another FA2 to map. Here's our Geno. Geno, any final words about that car?
It's cool.
It is cool. It's a beautiful car. There she is. So thanks for sticking around to the end of the video, guys. Like and subscribe and all that jazz. We are going to use Skunk 2 as the code word for this video. So please drop that down in the comments below. Let us know that you're watching. And we'll see you all very soon, won't we, Geno?
We will indeed.
We will indeed. Geno, go get that FN2 so we can map it.
Before and I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast.